Hey everyone, welcome back. So we are going to be making pizza. We are going to be using the 2-ingredient dough. So we're using that self-rising flour and some fat-free Greek yogurt. I'm taking a cup of the Greek yogurt and a cup of the flour, and I'm throwing it in my stand mixer, and I'm just going to go ahead and let it do its thing. So you'll notice when it's ready, it starts to like form a doughy consistency. So I went ahead and put it on this cake sheet. It was the best option, and I'm using a mason jar to roll it out. I powdered or floured the mason jar, and I'm just rolling it out that way and kind of forming it, putting a little extra flour on there. You'll know if you need extra flour because it starts to get really sticky and tacky. So I'm going ahead and I'm making some holes with a fork for the dough, and I'm going to sprinkle it with some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper, and then spray it with some cooking spray. This is how I'm going to get my crust to rise and be thick. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to toss it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 375. All right, guys, so this is what the pizza crust looks like here. This was in about 10-15 minutes, so it just risen a little bit, gave it a little bit of a crust. So what I'm going to use is this 0-point marinara sauce you guys see me make in that other video. I have about 2 cups of the fat-free Kraft mozzarella cheese. I have 60 grams of turkey pepperoni. I'm going to put some of these jalapeno slices in there. And I have a mushroom cut up. I even put spinach. I mean, I'll literally throw just about anything on these pizzas, onions, whatever you guys choose or to your liking, that's what I would put on there. So this is what it's going to look like right before going in to the oven. So when I actually got everything measured out, this was only about 5 ounces. So that was really only 1 and a little bit, like not even 1 1/4 cup of cheese. So I'm going to reevaluate all the points. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw this in the oven. I have my oven set for 375 and I'm going to cook it for about 20 minutes, guys. All right, here it is. So like I said before, I calculated everything. It came out to 9 points for half of that pizza, which is kind of a lot. But considering if you ever want to sit down on a Friday night and have pizza and just, you know, have a pop and kick back and relax, I could easily eat half of a pizza. So at least 9 points isn't that bad. So here is what's in there. It is 1 cup of the Pillsbury self-rising flour. It's 11 points. It says 1.5, but it's only 1 cup of the Greek yogurt. That Mama Cozy's turkey pepperoni, 30 slices. And then I have 1 1/4 or 1 3/4 cups of the shredded fat-free mozzarella cheese for 3 points. So most of the points came from the Pillsbury flour. If you wanted to do a half and half, like half flour, half a cup of flour and half a cup of yogurt, it would be less points. But this is what I did because this is going to be for me and Leo and probably the kids. So I don't know how much I'm going to eat. I'll let you guys know. But it looks so good. It legit looks like one of the pizzas that we would have from one of the places around here. So I will plate it up and I will take pictures and show you guys. All right, so this is everything plated up. Look at, I wanted to show you guys how thick the dough is. So if you guys don't like a thick crust like that, then I obviously would do the half a cup each. This dough was really hard to work with, guys. It's super sticky and I just was having a lot of issues. Pointers, if you're going to make this, you know, that's why I ended up using the glass jar to roll it out because it was sticking to the wooden rolling pin. So if you had a metal rolling pin, that would be awesome. And you know what, I just think it's just the more you knead it, but it's really, the consistency is really sticky. So just to give you guys a heads up, when you go to make this, it's supposed to be that sticky, I guess, because it's really hard to work with. But all right, I'm gonna eat these 2 and call it a day. So hopefully you guys like this video. Go ahead and if you have not already, please subscribe and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.
Out of love with no defense. fade.